day and night to clear the backlog. And right now, there's no backlog in immigration. And I want to make that very clear, that in immigration, we have worked very hard to ensure that we clear the backlog. And anybody now applying for passports should be able to get it in time. Kenya is a visa-free country now. We have been able to receive more than 350,000 visitors in the last 3 months. And it is 40% higher than when we had e-visa. So clearly, the new policy by President Ruto to make the country visa-free is paying off. Best news for Kenyans is that now you can get your passport very fast. Before the end of this week, we are getting new printers, 2 of them, to even faster. We received about 2 weeks ago, we received more than 100,000 booklets. There's 100,000 booklets. There's another 100,000 coming next week. And I think we are good to go. We thank the government for giving us the resources required, giving us the money we needed so that we streamline the issue of passports. So going forward, Kenyans will really enjoy the services from immigration. We have started 2 state-of-art banking halls at Nya House. In the southern wing, we have the latest banking hall for collection of passports. So, and you collect your passport there, you come there, you don't have to queue for a long time, you get your passport in record time. For biometrics, we have increased the counters from 10 to 20, so that whoever wants a passport can come apply there. They do their biometrics within the shortest time possible, and they're able to enjoy the experience.
Graphically, Kenya sits in probably the most.
Nayo thirikari niitanyite gukorwo ikirugamia maundu